Hey, what's going on YouTube? Matt Johnston coming at you guys with a quick video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make $100 a day with YouTube without having to create any videos. But before we get into this video, please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell below because I'm going to be providing a tremendous amount of value to you guys on each one of my videos. And so yeah guys, in this video today I want to show you guys kind of step by step how you guys can make your own videos without even having to film any content, without having to come up with your own video ideas, or even have to use another YouTuber's content. And so in this video today I'm going to show you guys how you don't even have to show your face in any of these videos. You simply can make money online just by uploading videos on YouTube. Now this isn't going to involve any kind of YouTube content like using videos in the Creative Commons category. This is actually where you're going to be able to upload your own videos with other videos that are already provided for you. And so I'm going to show you guys a little example of what I'm talking about here. So I'm just going to type in top 5 really quick, and this is going to pull up one specific channel that uploads these slideshow videos. And you can see that this channel never even shows his face in any of his content. And you can see he has over 2 million subscribers on his channel now. I'm going to scroll down a little bit and show you guys kind of one example of the kind of content he posts here. So you can see this one's called the 5 biggest and scariest tanks ever built. And you can see that his channel is just called the top 5S. And so what you're going to notice is that all these videos are just re-uploaded videos that he used from original creators. And so this is kind of a little short video that he makes just to show people the top 5 scariest tanks on his YouTube channel. Now, I just want to show you guys this as a quick example of what I'm going to show you guys on how you can replicate this with your own YouTube channels. Now, the software you're going to be able to utilize to create videos like these kinds of presentation videos is actually with a software called Wave Video. Now, I'm going to leave a link in the description below if you guys want to check the software out yourself, but this is a great way that you guys can actually upload videos with thousands of different pieces of content that's already uploaded on this website. And so you can see all the different niches you can choose from art and culture, business, events, fashion and beauty, holidays, intro and outro, pets, quotes, all these different niches that you guys can choose from when you're going to be uploading your YouTube videos. And so what we're going to do, for example, is let's do sports and wellness. And so you're just going to see a bunch of different types of videos that you can use to upload. And so these include YouTube videos, these include Instagram videos, these include any kind of vertical videos, all sorts of different categories that you can choose from to pick when you're going to upload this content. And so for example, we can just go with, the seasonal offer right here. Okay, and you can see the horizontal is a 16:9. And so this is a perfect video type that you can upload to YouTube when you're trying to build your channel in a specific niche. And so obviously the niche we're going to be utilizing today is in the fitness niche. Now, you guys may be wondering, how am I going to be able to come up with my own content? What am I going to post in my videos that's going to want people to watch my content? Well, what you guys can do is actually use this website called ETN Articles. Now, with this website, you can see they have a ton of different categories you can choose from with articles that are already written in these different niches. And so you can see, again, they have arts and entertainment, business, computers, technology, gaming, home-based business. So this is just a bunch of different ideas that they lay out for you on this website. And so since we're going to be doing the health and fitness industry, we're just going to click that today. And then we're just going to hit health and fitness again. Now again, they also have a huge amount of different sub niches that you can choose from. You can see they have categories like acne, acupuncture, aerobics, cardio, anti-aging, back pain. So, a bunch of different categories that you can choose from. And we're just going to choose, let's do exercise for our example today. And so what's going to pull up is a bunch of different articles in the exercise category, right? You can see you can choose from how to like exercise, why you should walk, 10 ways to burn extra 300 calories a day, walkers should eat a proper diet, 8 smart ways for a full body workout. And so this seems like an article we can utilize to upload content for our videos that we're going to be uploading to YouTube, right? So you can see if we go back to this video software here, what you can do is actually customize it right here. So let's do customize this template. And then you're going to land on this page right here that's going to allow you to customize your video that you can upload to YouTube. And so what you want to do is just exit this out right here. And then you can actually customize it to add different videos in the niche that you choose. But you can see, just to test it out, that this is a fully video that you can upload. You can see that this is a video based on a guy that's just running. And so how you guys can edit this clip out to make it more of your own video is actually by going on this video right here, just clicking it right here, and then going to replace right here. And what you're going to notice is a bunch of different categories that you can choose from in whatever niche that you're interested in. And so again, we're going to be using the sports and fitness niche. So here it is right here. and you're just going to see a bunch of different video ideas that they already lay out for you guys to choose from. And you can see that some of them they actually charge you for, but you don't even have to choose from any of the paid ones. Like, you can use every single one that's free. So let's say, for example, if we were to do, you know, this exercise workout clip right here, so we can just hit replace. And what you're gonna see is a video clip of a guy that's working out. Now, the reason why we chose this article right here is because this is what people can post in their videos to actually give value to their audience. And so what you can do is actually title this 8 Smart Ways for a Full Body Workout, right? So you can just copy this right here. And you guys can, you know, change up the text right here. So let's do, instead of seasonal offer, we can do, or we can just delete this whole text out in general. And then what you can do is actually paste your title right here of 8 Smart Ways for a Full Body Workout. And I'm just gonna play around with it right here. So, you know, you can even move this around a little bit. So let's do, maybe if we were to put it right here, right, and just play the video again. Okay, this can be shown as your first clip of your YouTube video that you're going to upload. And so once you do that, you can also do the same thing right here. Now, this is actually for the first clip. So for the second clip, we can go back to this thing right here, and you guys can take ideas from these articles for your YouTube videos. And so let's just do maximum body training, right? And then just post your text right here. Edit this out, do maximum body training. And so you can say, since he's doing an incline bench press, you can just type in, you know, incline bench press, right? And then you can just shorten this out a little bit and just put this right here. Actually, you can just delete this right here and just put, you know, number 1 as incline bench press. And then just move that here. We can just move the logo right there. And so you guys can upload your own logo right here. Maybe if you're using it as your channel art, you can just upload your image right there. And so what you guys can do is just rinse and repeat this process. So you can just do add video clip or image and just go back here. I mean, so let's just scroll down a little bit. Let's try this one right here. This one looks like a girl that's running. All right, this one looks like this would work. So what you can do is actually just add your text right here. And just put this one as, you know, number 2. You can do number 2 as running. Okay, and just keep that simple like that. And then you can also add another workout. So let's just do add another video. Right, and you can see, you know, you can just keep doing this, rinsing and repeating, and just using other video clips that they provide here to use for your videos now. Again, if you're looking to make this as a business, you can also use the paid ones as well. But I'm just using the free ones just for our examples today. So, you know, we can also do this one right here. Right, so what you can do is add text again. And so we can do 3 as cycling. Okay, and just move this to the corner. Okay, and what you're gonna see is, let's say if we were to play this video back over again, right, 8 Smart Ways for a Full Body Workout. Number 1, incline bench press. Right, and so this just gives you guys a cool idea of how this all works when you're gonna upload your videos on YouTube. And so this is a great way I recommend you guys get started when you're trying to build a business on YouTube. And the great thing about this is it's all 100% free. You can pick from a wide variety of different niches. Again, you don't just have to stick with the health and fitness. And then after you guys download your videos, so what you'll wanna do is just go to publish there after you're done fully editing. Now, I don't recommend you guys model the exact thing I did here. Like, I recommend you guys switch it up a bit, maybe make it even better. And then what you'll wanna do is actually go back to YouTube and upload your video there, okay? And this is exactly what channels like this are doing, right, with their YouTube channels. And so how you guys can monetize this all is actually by joining an affiliate network such as ClickBank, such as JVZoo, maybe Amazon Associates, if you're promoting a specific product that people are familiar with. And so, you know, you can just go back down here and maybe go to the health and fitness, just sort it by gravity. Okay, and so one affiliate product you guys can promote here is maybe something like, you know, the fat decimator system. This has an average sale of $26.29, and it also has upsells and recurring commissions as well. So this would be a perfect product you guys can promote to your audience. And so what you want to do is just keep uploading consistent content, and that's when you're going to see your channel grow. Okay, you're not going to want to just post videos you know, once every other week or once a month. You know, when you're first starting out with a YouTube channel, you want to post every single day consistently, and you're going to start seeing organic visitors to your videos, and that's how you're going to be able to build your audience in the specific niche that you're in. And so again, this website's actually called wave.animatron.com. So you'll want to leverage this website to actually upload video clips that they provide for you guys. And then if you need content ideas, what you'll want to do is go to this website right here and just sort through the wide variety of different articles that they provide here. So again, you can just go to, you know, health and fitness, you can go to acne, you know, how to build muscle, beauty. There's really unlimited video ideas that you can create with these two websites. And again, you can join affiliate networks if you want to monetize this all without Google AdSense. And that's how you're going to be able to make money off your channel without the use of Google AdSense, without having to wait for YouTube to monetize your videos. This is a great way you guys can get started making $100 a day through the YouTube platform. And so this was a quick video I wanted to show you guys on how you guys can make money with YouTube without uploading your own content for 100% free. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more future videos. And yeah, guys, take care.